today we will continue our reading. So this is your content book. Open page number 46. So today we will read what is the difference between season and weather. When a environment is same for a day, that is a weather. Okay. And when the weather is same for some days or some month, that is a season. Okay beta. So what are the seasons? We have 5 seasons. Yes, what are they? Summer, spring, autumn, winter and spring season. Then we eat different type of food in different seasons. And we can wear different type of clothes in different season. Like in summers, we eat cold things like ice cream, fruits like mango, and we wear cotton clothes. And in winters, we like to eat hot foods and to wear woolen clothes. In rainy season, we carry umbrella and raincoats. Okay. So student, now what is the difference between weather and season? Weather describes the daily changes outside. जो daily change होते हैं हमारे environment है, that is a weather. There can be different type of weather in one day. Yes, in the morning sunny, in the night, yes, coldness in environment. For example, in a day the weather can be both sunny and sometime be rainy. Understood students? Now season describes the general weather condition of a specific area over a certain time. But one thing is for a certain time. It means same for certain time. Like November to February we feel winters. Okay. And yes, from March last to July what we feel? Yes, summers. Okay, so for certain time of period there are seasons change like summers, winters, rainy season. And the second is they can be different in specific area, like somewhere extreme coldness, somewhere normal, and somewhere yes extreme hotness according to area. In Rajasthan in summers extreme hotness, in desert areas. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी रहती है. Now, a season can last for more than 3 months. However, in a season, there can be different type of weather. For example, in summers, it is usually hotter than in winter. Okay, students? In summers, we feel hot than in winter. In both seasons, the weather can be cloudy or windy. Means wind can be also in summer and also in winter. Now, I just want to show you a picture to describe what's the difference between weather and season. Yes, students, weather is for a short time, maybe for one day, okay, and weather is always changing, okay, like in morning there is a sunny day and in the night, yes, extreme coldness. Season, same weather for a long time, for 3 months or more, okay, and more or less remain same. It means अगर winter है तो 3 or more than 3 months winter ही रहेगी. More or less हो सकता है sometimes sunny days in the winter, okay, but that season is a winter season. Okay, so season is more or less remain same and same weather for long time. And what is weather? Weather can be changed for even in a day also. Okay student, this is a picture, yes, of windy day. One important point you have to learn students, that some animals like snake sleep during the winter season. Okay, so do this reading. We will meet in the next class. Bye beta.